Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna do an example solve on 5x5 using the YAO method. My global is around 45 seconds, so let's get into it. Now looking at the centers, I can see that yellow is decent, so I'm gonna do that first. So the first thing that I would do is solve the middle bar. So do it like this, and now I can see that I have this centerpiece attached to the middle bar, and I also have this 2x1. So I'm gonna solve that, and I'm gonna bring this piece into the F face as well. So now I have all of my last 3 yellow centerpieces in the E slice. So I would solve the last bar like this. So L2. And now I'm in a position where I don't have to rotate to start solving the white center. So I'm gonna do a 2x2 now on white and create a 2x3. And for the last bar, I'm gonna do an F prime and insert the bar. Now I see that I'm gonna do the custom yellow because I see that I have these two green and yellow edge pieces and this green and yellow edge piece, and I can easily solve the edge by just doing that, and I finish with a D prime just to insert the edge. Now I'm gonna do the yellow and orange one. The pieces are, so the two outer pieces are here and the midge is here. So I'm gonna connect the two outers and I'm gonna bring the midge to the M slice. And now I'm gonna do another D prime to insert this one. Now luckily I have an easy case for the red and yellow and red one as well. So the two outers are connected and I can easily bring the midge into the M slice like this. I'm gonna do a 4R2 and U. And now I can start building my centers. I can see that the orange one is easy, so I'm gonna do a 2x3 and then I'm gonna finish the... So I'm gonna do a 2x3 with these two 2x1s and this 2x1. And I'm gonna finish the center by building a 1x3 with these 3 pieces. So like this. Now going into blue, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna connect this piece to the center, and now I have these two center pieces as well, and I can make a 2x3 by actually solving two 2x1s next to this middle 2x1. So the first one would be this one, and the next one is gonna be this one. So I'm gonna finish the blue center now, and while finishing the blue center, I'm also gonna solve this 2x1 on red. And now I just have an easy last two centers case. Okay, going into the last cross edge. I can see that if I rotate and do an R2 and the U, I can easily connect these two pieces. And if I insert this one into the back and do a U2, I can insert the edge using only R and U moves. So now that I have solved this, the last cross edge, I can go straight into my last 8 edges. The first one is gonna be the white and orange one. So the pieces are here, I can easily see all of them. So I'm gonna solve it like this. The next one is gonna be I'm gonna do the red and blue one, because I don't have to do any flips for that. So I just insert this piece into the back, and actually I'm gonna rotate so that I don't have to use F moves. Insert this into the back, and now I have this edge into the back left slot. So I'm gonna go into white and blue now. The midge is here, and here are the two outers. So insert into the back U2, D2, and now my fourth edge would be this one, the blue and orange one. So solve it like this and realign my centers. Now I have a decent case because I can I have two options actually. So one, I can solve this white and green edge with a slice flip slice, and two, I can solve the red and green edge with a cycle. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the slice flip slice, and then I'm gonna cycle, because these two are gonna remain connected and in this exact same place, and this is gonna be in a spot where I can easily solve it as well. So now I'm gonna do the cycle. So take the edge out and solve it like this. Okay, now I have the last two edges, and I can go straight into 3x3, the 3x3 stage. So I can see that I have this after pair already solved. So I'm gonna keep this together, and in order to have an easier first pair, I would do a D prime and then a wide U prime. So I can insert it into the back. Now I can see the red and green pair, which is also quite nice. Now if, when I solve the red and blue one, this is gonna stay the same, so just solve it like this. Now I have OLO and then F prime. So this was the example solve. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.